Okay, so picture this. You're cruising down the street, zero potholes, traffic's flowing smoothly, and get this, your city services app. Actually helpful.
Sounds pretty utopian, right?
Right. But what if I told you AI could be the key to making this our reality?
I mean, it's already happening.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's what we're diving into today, AI and the future of public service. We're talking real-world examples, cutting-edge research, the whole 9 yards.
And we're not just talking about, like, small improvements here.
Yeah.
We're talking about a fundamental shift in how public services could work.
Absolutely. Think about it. Remember when just getting a passport felt like this massive undertaking? Now you can practically do it from your couch.
It's true.
And that's just scratching the surface. I mean, one of the studies we looked at focused on Los Angeles, their 311 app, the one for reporting potholes, graffiti, all that.
Right.
Well, now it's powered by AI. And get this, it can handle almost 70% of citizen requests completely on its own. 70%. That's incredible.
It really is. And it speaks to this larger trend of rising citizen expectations. We're all used to instant responses, personalized experiences in pretty much every other aspect of our lives. So naturally, those expectations are carrying over to the public sector.
So we've got AI stepping up in the public service game, but what's the magic behind the curtain? How does it actually work?
Well, the research highlighted some really interesting tools.
Yeah, like predictive analytics. That sounds like something straight out of Minority Report.
It's more reality than you might think, actually.
Yeah.
Picture this. City planners in Barcelona, they use predictive analytics to find the areas with a high risk of noise pollution.
Okay, so they're predicting the noise.
Right. And then they use that data to figure out where to focus their noise reduction efforts. And get this, they saw a 3 decibel drop in noise levels in just 1 year.
Wow. Quieter cities. Sign me up.
Exactly.
But okay, let's be real. Sometimes you just need that human touch. That's where natural language processing comes in, right? Like chat bots that can actually, hold a conversation.
You're exactly right. And we found a great example of this in Action Singapore. They developed a chatbot called Ask Jamie, which basically helps people navigate government websites and services.
Interesting.
And it's not just answering basic FAQs, it actually understands what people are looking for. It's like having a digital concierge for all things government-related.
That's what I'm talking about, making those interactions smooth, intuitive. And then, of course, there's machine learning, which always seems most futuristic to me. How is machine learning changing our cities?
Think of it this way. Imagine a city where traffic lights change in real time, based on the actual flow of traffic, preventing those awful gridlocks.
I mean, that would be a game changer.
Right, and it's already happening. Pittsburgh has a system called SurTrack. It uses machine learning to optimize their traffic light timing. The result, a 25% drop in travel times and a 40% decrease in idling.
That's huge. Less time stuck in traffic. That means less pollution, less frustration.
Precisely.
It's a win-win. So we have all these amazing tools, and it feels like the potential is limitless. But like with any new technology, there are always two sides to the coin.
Absolutely. As we get deeper into the world of AI and public service, we have to remember that these technologies need to be used to benefit everyone. They should be improving lives and creating a future that's more equitable and efficient for everyone.
All right, so we've opened up the AI toolkit. We've seen it in action. Now it's time to look ahead. What's next? What trends are shaping the future of AI in public service?
One of the most exciting trends is this move towards what some are calling hyper-personalized services. It's this idea that your interactions with government could be tailored to your specific needs and circumstances.
So instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, it's more like, what, a bespoke suit?
Exactly. Imagine a city where bus routes adjust in real time based on your commute, or where social services are offered proactively based on your situation. We're already seeing early versions of this in some places, like AI being used to personalize educational resources for students or to tailor job training programs.
Okay, that's pretty impressive. It's like AI is taking the public out of public service and making it truly about the individual. What else is on the horizon? What other trends are we seeing?
Another big one is the rise of anticipatory governance. And this is where AI is used not just to react to problems, but to actually predict and prevent them.
Hold on, kind of like that noise pollution example in Barcelona, but on a much larger scale.
Exactly. We're talking about things like disease outbreaks and natural disasters, even crime. In fact, some cities are already using AI to analyze crime data, identify patterns, and then they're able to allocate law enforcement resources more effectively, potentially even stopping crime before it happens.
That's incredible. But it also makes you think, with all this data, all this predictive power, How do we make sure AI is being used ethically, responsibly?
It's a crucial question, and
Hmm.
it's something that researchers and policymakers are really wrestling with right now. It ultimately comes down to transparency, accountability, making sure these technologies are developed and used in a way that benefits everyone.
So it's not just about the technology itself, it's about the values driving its development.
Absolutely. It's about ensuring that AI serves humanity, not the other way around.
And that is a powerful note to end on. We've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive, and one thing's for sure. The future of AI in public service is bursting with potential, from those hyper-personalized services to anticipatory governance. But like any powerful tool, it's up to us to make sure it's used wisely, ethically, for the good of everyone. So next time you encounter AI in your city, in your daily life, remember, you're not just witnessing the future, you're helping to shape it.